Hi everyone, I'm super excited to launch a brand new app in our Stackby Apps Marketplace called the Page Designer. Now with the Page Designer app, you can create visually stunning pages directly from your records in your tables. Now let's see how it works. So first, you need to go to the Apps Marketplace. Once you click on it, you add an app, search for Page Designer and add it into your platform. You select which table you want to bring the records from, what will be the record size. So in this case, I want to bring like a custom record size where the width is say 1280 into 728 and done. Now, if I click on the edit layout, what will happen is it will give me all the fields that are added in the table. I click on the image title and just drag and drop it. So it gives me a field and then it opens the configuration of that particular field. So if I want to change the font size, right? Let's just say I want to change this to 58. Then I want to look at, say, the category. It's a Stackby use case. Okay. Or maybe what I can do is I can just delete it and just add, let's just say, like the Stackby use case like this, and create it into, I can add borders to it, right? Add padding to those borders, change the border width, or even the border radius. So I can convert this into like a capsule, put Stackby use case in the center, add colors, border colors, or even like background colors. So let's just say I want to add like a different background color like this, right? So I can create a capsule like this, and then I want to bring the image, the stack image. So I can just pull it up, increase the size. So let's just say I want to increase the size of the image like this. So it creates a layout like this. So if you click on done editing, so you'll see that the layout is automatically created and you can see it for all the records that you have in the table. So it changes the records, the images as well, right? So I can adjust and make it proper. And I can also add any other information. Let's just say the Stackby logo. And I'll add it here. So the logo will automatically come on all the pages. So you see, we've created a page like this. So what I can do is I've already created like a good looking page here, right? Where I've changed the color of the fonts, added the logo, made this proper and added like a proper size of the image. So if I click on done editing and if I click on preview, so it gives me like a proper preview of all the pages, that we've created. And this automatically creates directly from your records. So if you change something, let's just say I've got like a marketing calendar. If I just drag and drop this particular image, so in the marketing calendar, I will see a new image has already been added. What I can also do is once I click on preview, I can also print this particular record. So if I want to print a particular record in the landscape mode, right? The custom dimension, add the width 720 by 1280 and click on print. So let me 1280 by 720. So you can basically take the printout as well of each of these records, and you can save it as a PDF as well, or you can print an individual page. So this is how you can quickly create your custom page in the page designer. If I want to quickly search a particular record, I can easily search the records directly from here, right? Or even expand a particular row, right? To change the information right from the same place. I can create visually stunning thumbnails, cards, catalogs, one-pagers, invoices right from the page designer. So I'll quickly show you an invoice creator template. So from the records that we have in the table, we've also basically created an invoice like this. So what happens is, let's just say I'll just delete this. I can also add link table information. So if I click on, say, the line items in the invoice, so this is basically nothing but like a link table. And if you add like a link table, there is a different configuration for it. You can select between 3 different modes: table, list, and inline. And in the table columns, I can add like multiple columns as well. So let's just say I want to add line item and services, or let's just say cost, quantity, and total. So it automatically creates a table like this of an individual invoice. What I can also do is I can just drag and drop like this and add a border radius below, right? If I click on done editing, I can preview it. So you see an invoice is automatically created with the tables, with the linked tables. So you can basically create any sort of a page using the page designer. Think of it as a Photoshop for your records, and you can share this, export it, or preview it, or even like print it into PDF to share it with anyone. So give this a try. The possibilities of it are endless. We're adding a lot of interesting templates to this, and we'll continue to add more page designer templates. We are also launching a brand new creator marketplace. So what you can do is you can basically create your own page designer template and add it to the Stackby template community. You can even monetize some of those templates as well. So create your own page designer template and show it to the world by adding it to the Stackby One community. So give this a try and let us know what you think. Cheers. Bye.